How to turn on weekly screen time update notifications on your TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you subscribe and you like in this video. So let's start. First, you will just open your TikTok. Then when your TikTok is open, and you have to go down to profile. Then when you open your profile, go to this three line here. Then on this three line, go to settings and privacy. Then on settings and privacy, go to notifications. Then you have to go down to weekly screen time update. Now you have to turn on this by clicking here and make it look like this, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.